Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and selecting security. Now tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, select setup at the bottom right corner, click on next after reading the disclaimer, and remember to follow those instructions. Over here, you need to pick one of those options by clicking on the switchers next to the chosen ones. And when you're ready, choose Next at the bottom right corner. Then select Done, and now when I turn off my screen, now turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!